If kiwi juice isn't something you've ever heard of before, then it's time to give this amazing drink a try. Kiwi juice is packed with some of the most important vitamins and minerals that your body needs in order to stay healthy. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce stress on your heart and liver. In this video we'll discuss 5 reasons why kiwi juice should be the drink of choice for everyone. 5 benefits of kiwi juice. 1. High in vitamins. Kiwi juice is high in vitamin C, which helps to boost the immune system and fight off any illness. Kiwis also contain antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. 2. Low in sugar. Kiwi juice is low on the glycemic index, so it won't raise your blood sugar levels like other drinks that are high in natural sugars. This makes kiwi juice a great choice for those who have diabetes or appetite problems and need to limit their carbohydrate intake. 3. Great for digestion. Kiwi juice is a great digestive aid, and prevents constipation by keeping the bowels moving. The kiwis in kiwi juice contain fiber that helps keep your stomach feeling full so you can avoid overeating later on. This means kiwi juice can give you an energy boost to power through your day. 4. Great for losing weight. Kiwi juice can help you lose weight by giving your metabolism a boost. It's also easy on the stomach, so it won't cause any indigestion or discomfort like other drinks might do when you're trying to slim down. 5. High in potassium. Kiwi juice is high in potassium, which helps to regulate your heart rate and blood pressure. This means kiwi juice can prevent any kind of muscle cramps that might come from a lack of this important mineral. While kiwi juice is great for your health, it's important to keep in mind that kiwis are large and can be difficult to eat. If you want the benefits of kiwi without having to deal with a lot of prep time or messiness, then try adding kiwi extract, which comes from kiwi seeds, to your kiwi juice. The kiwi extract contains the same benefits as kiwis, but is easier to swallow and digest without all of the prep time or messiness. Kiwi extracts are available in powder form that you can add directly into kiwi juice for a flavor boost.